Do you always save and don't want to spend money on yourself?
Are your kids always a priority when it comes to spending money? मेरे बच्चे मेरा कर्तव्य है types?
Is there something that you so badly want to do but are hesitating due to the insecurity you have regarding money? बहुत कुछ करना था यार, लेकिन क्या करें?
Is your bucket list overflowing but you don't have a hole in the bucket yet?
And on a lighter note, have you dreamt of being a sugar daddy and worried that you won't have any sugar left?
Hey fellow hubbers, welcome back to another exciting episode of the Happy Hub. I'm your host Ridhima and I'm here with my adventurous co-host Yogi.
Hello hubbers.
So Yogi, what was the best part of your week?
Ridhima, कल I went to my favorite place and sang a karaoke. दिल खोल के गाया और जो मजा आया ना, that's when I thought कि आज हम बात करेंगे about the world of investments. Wait, these are not only monetary investments, mind you. So stay through the podcast till the end to know what should be the other portfolios in your investments in midlife. क्या बोलती रिधिमा?
Absolutely, Yogi. We have all been there, done that quite a bit. Saving for retirement, thinking about our children's future, and maybe stressing a bit about our own golden years.
इतना एज का स्ट्रेस क्या लेने का यार? Rohan Bopanna, who is the oldest in the world to win a Grand Slam, said that we are so programmed to operate in a life that it is like 22 तक पढ़ाई, 25 पे नौकरी, 30 पे शादी, फिर जल्दी से बच्चे और 60 पे रिटायरमेंट. It was his wife's constant motivation that made him think beyond this and he won the Grand Slam finally.
Oh wow! हमने कभी पर्सनल ग्रोथ और वेलबींग में इन्वेस्ट करने का सोचा है? Irrespective of the age?
वक्त है आग लगाने का. The fire movement, meaning financial independence and retire early. ये तो सुना ही होगा. But what if it's financial independence and recharge energies?
Picture this, folks. आंखें बंद करो, गहरी सांस लो और सोचो. खुद के लिए ज्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करना, अपने सपने परस्यू करना, ट्रैवल और एक्सप्लोर करना और लाइफ के छोटे छोटे पल खुल के एंजॉय करना. How do you feel?
Right on. और जनरेशन शिफ्ट के बारे में तो we all know. Our parents focused on saving for their bachchas, potes and maybe even parpotes. But we are different. Our kids think differently, largely due to the global culture at their fingertips.
True that. Younger generation is all about the sharing economy. Thrift stores, home rentals, online cabs, khana, shopping and even swipe dating. They are financially independent early on and march to the beat of a different drum. Typical घिसी पीटी लाइफ उनको नहीं चाहिए यार. इन बच्चों में एक जुनून है to make their name, to be independent and for sure they are tiptoed in the hustle game. और because इनकी basic needs का ख्याल रखा जाता है, they get the door to exploration wide open. And इन्हें पता है ये क्या कर रहे हैं. And after a point, I feel बच्चों से ज्यादा ना we should invest in our own selves.
But hey, the comparison game is real, isn't it? भला उसकी कमीज मेरी कमीज से सफेद कैसे? A never-ending thirst for more money leading to a loss of peace of mind. यहाँ पे mental peace का stop loss लगाना बहुत जरूरी है यार. So रिधिमा सोचो ना, what if we invest in peace instead?
Peace. That brings us to the concept of SIP. Systematic investment in peace. That I follow. For me, it's music and travel. My ultimate stress busters. Imagine setting aside money per month to do things that gives you sukoon.
You mean from saving wala SIP to investment wala SIP?
सही पकड़े हैं. I have been investing in mutual fund SIPs and now part of these investments I use in much needed SIP, that's systematic investment in peace in things I enjoy doing. I keep replenishing the investments to whatever extent I can. Likewise, if you can keep aside some money for movies, shows, clubbing, meeting friends or whatever makes you happy, it would be great.
Love your funda. And yeah, don't ever feel guilty for that expenditure. You deserve it. It's high time, yaar. Talking about investing in experiences, let me share something crazy that I did. मुझे एंटार्क्टिका जाना था और वो मेरा सबसे बड़ा सपना था. But I had only invested in a house and didn't have any other savings. So I sold it and took what I needed for the trip and reinvested the rest. Innovative, right? Initially थोड़ा guilty feel तो हुआ, but then I told myself that it was my way of investing and living life. What the heck, yaar?
यार guts चाहिए. Bold move, Yogi. And speaking of joy, I recently stayed in a hostel in Rishikesh. Clean bed, fresh hawa, and the Wadiyo ka view. Breakfast with a view on the rooftop used to be watching the romance of clouds and mountains. And evenings would be filled with music, dance, art, jamming sessions, and watch parties with the fellow hostelers. It was more peaceful than those bade alishan hotels.
Absolutely. And that's the beauty of living life on your terms. Apne hi rules, apna hi schedule. So dear Hubbers, have you ever thought of being a digital nomad? There are so many options online to showcase your talents and earn money too.
सच में यार, you can teach, perform or write, do gardening, create wall graffitis, pottery. The possibilities are endless. And for our travel enthusiasts, platforms like Workaway, Volunteer Yatra offer opportunities to volunteer globally, covering your stay and food in exchange for a few hours of work.
तो जाने से पहले, remember, experience can never be in excess. And as the saying goes, an experience is worth 1,000 books.
So Yogi, what can we share with our audience today? Maybe how to invest in oneself?
Definitely. We should invest every month for our mental peace. However small the amount may be, making a habit of investing every month in something that we enjoy doing, it's awesome. Even if it's going on a blind date once in a while.
Materialistic things are passé. It is a time for creating an experience bank. Memories will be our dividends. Everest Base Camp चढ़े हो? दुबई में शॉपिंग की है? हॉर्नबिल फेस्टिवल में मस्ती की है तो ग्रेट, वरना जल्दी से प्लान करो.
Of course, and invest in travel. East or west, travel is the best. Whether it's a simple weekend travel or a vacation with family and friends, or even a solo trip where we meet new people, make sure that the travel bug bites you अच्छे से. कुछ नहीं तो तीर्थ यात्रा ही सही.
Health is wealth, people. Though we say it many times, we fail to practice that. And it's not just physical health. It also means taking care of our mental health by having a healthy dose of fresh air, good company, and motivating conversations that keep your outlook positive.
Invest in friends and a social circle. Who said friends can only be made at a younger age? How about finding that tribe with whom we can vibe? Riding, running, singing, dancing, yoga, and many other things all have their online and offline communities. Go join them.
And finally, ये सब करते समय ना, don't think that कितने पैसे खर्च हो गए, शायद नहीं करना चाहिए था, etc. etc. As long as our desires don't harm others, it's okay to prioritize our interest and happiness. We deserve every bit of them. आखिर धूप में बाल नहीं ना सफेद किए हमने.
किसी ने सही ही कहा है. Life is not measured by the number of breaths we take, but by the moments and places that take our breath away. और इसी सांस के साथ हम आपको अलविदा कहेंगे.
See you in the yet another exciting episode of the Happy Hub. This was Ridhima.
And this